Welcome to Calculus 2 at St. Louis Community College. My name is Mike Lueke, and I'm the instructor of the course this summer session. There's a lot to do and there's no time to lose, so let's talk about how you can get started. First, log into Blackboard and click on the first few links in the course menu on the left side of the screen. Review and read through the materials that you find there, especially the syllabus. The syllabus has a lot of information on it, but it's very important for you to read it carefully because it contains important details about policies and important components of the course. Basically, throughout this semester, I'm going to ask you to complete 4 main kinds of tasks: assignments, activities, weekly discussion forums, and exams. The first task, the assignments, will be one that I expect you to complete about 3 or 4 times a week based on the new topics that you're studying. Activities will also be regular tasks for you to work on and are designed to expand upon topics found in the assignments. I'll also ask you to post once each week in the discussion forums. All of these pieces are crucial components of your preparation for the exams, of which there will be 3 this summer session, 1 every other Thursday. Those exams take place online as well, but are proctored by me, requiring a video check-in at a specific time which we agree upon in advance. Please see the syllabus for more details. Nearly everything you do for this course will be accessible from one online site called My Open Math. My Open Math contains all course materials like the textbook, video tutorials, and required tasks. It's pretty easy to use, and the best part of all is that it's completely free. Your only required cost for this course is your tuition. Everything else is available for free online. If you're new to My Open Math, there are videos in our course Blackboard page that can help you set up your account. Once you've logged into My Open Math, you should introduce yourself in the first weekly discussion forum. Next, you should take a look at the review unit. The review unit begins with assignment number 1, which helps you acclimate to the My Open Math platform and checks your understanding of topics from your previous calculus course. Using your results on assignment number 1, you can refresh your understanding of any review topics that are contained there. That'll help you get started in the course. The review unit has plenty of resources to help you with that as necessary. Getting off to a good start in an online math class is really important because keeping up with the work and the pace of the class is probably more difficult than the math itself. Most of the time, if you can finish the required tasks without getting behind the schedule that I suggest in the syllabus and in the My Open Math calendar, your chances of success are very high. So what does it take to stay on track with that schedule? Consistency is the key. I'm recommending to all of you that you commit to working 5 or 6 days a week on math. It's unlikely that you can finish this course successfully working only once or twice a week on it. The biggest mistake that students make in a class like this one is underestimating how much time and energy an online math class requires, especially in the summer. This is a 5-credit course, and if you were enrolled in a face-to-face session over 6 weeks, your class would meet 2 to 3 hours per day, 4 days a week, or about 10 hours a week in class. And your instructor would recommend that you spend at least that amount of time outside of class for doing homework and studying. Since online math classes usually require more time than face-to-face classes, I'm estimating that most of you should expect to spend 20 to 25 hours every week on math in order to be successful. That breaks down to working about 3 to 4 hours every day, 5 or 6 days a week, which is what I recommend to you now and in the syllabus. Although not everyone needs this amount of time, often students need more time than this. Think carefully about the amount of time that you have and the amount of time and energy you'll need to be successful in the course. If you're concerned about the level of commitment that it requires, now is the time to contact me about that. So let me say a few things about how to do that this summer. Since I won't be on campus much at all this summer, email is one of the best ways to get a hold of me. Starting on June 9th, I'll also offer regular office hours in the afternoons on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'll be available in Blackboard Collaborate, ready to respond to questions or concerns that have arisen in your work so far. specific times are given in the syllabus. Blackboard Collaborate is a tool that allows us to conduct a full-service video chat with a whiteboard, instant messaging, and everything we might need to talk about math questions that you have. As there may be multiple people visiting the office hours sessions, I'm also willing to make appointments to meet with you one-on-one as necessary. It's not easy to work through a calculus class online, but I think I've set up a course that is ready to support you along that journey. My primary goal is to give you opportunities to build a strong mathematical foundation that you can use to build the skills and techniques from the course to apply them to future math, science, or engineering courses. I'm looking forward to working with each of you this summer, and I hope you have many positive learning experiences in the course. Good luck!